Hi, Jim. This is Julie. So I just sent you that link. If you click on it, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. Scroll down, and you're going to see Stark County ESC Substitute Application. Click here. So click there. Once you click there, you're going to get this page. You scroll down to this right here where it says Substitute Teacher, and it says to apply. So if you click that apply, it tells you everything that you need for to apply for this. And then if you click this, you type in I am a new applicant, and then you create a new account and apply for that job. And I just click it, and this is what it looks like. And you just keep going, you save it, and you keep going through the prompts. So I hope this helps you with the Stark County ESC.